more and more people are embracing a plant-based lifestyle. This trend is not just a fleeting fad, but a significant shift in how we approach our health and well-being. People from all walks of life are discovering the numerous benefits of eating more plants and fewer animal products. This shift towards plant-based eating is driven by a desire for a healthier and more sustainable way of life. Many are motivated by the potential health benefits, while others are drawn to the positive environmental impact. Shopping for fresh produce at local farmers markets and preparing meals together as a family can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Plant-based diets are packed with fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These ingredients are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of culinary creativity. From hearty stews to vibrant salads, the possibilities are endless. These foods provide a wealth of nutrients that are essential for good health. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients found in plant-based foods help to support our immune system, improve our skin health, and boost our energy levels. Nutritionists often recommend incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into our diets to ensure we get a broad spectrum of nutrients. They are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. This makes plant-based diets an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight and reduce their risk of heart disease. Preparing meals with fresh vegetables and whole grains can be a fun and fulfilling way to take control of your health. Plant-based diets are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut, and it helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Foods like beans, lentils, and whole grains are excellent sources of fiber and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Eating a plant-based diet can have a positive impact on your overall health. Many people report feeling more energetic and experiencing improved mental clarity. Additionally, plant-based diets can support better sleep patterns and enhance physical performance, making it easier to stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. Studies have shown that it can reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Medical professionals often advocate for plant-based diets as a preventive measure against a range of health issues. By making simple dietary changes, you can significantly improve your long-term health outcomes. These diseases include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of plant-based foods play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from these conditions. By choosing a diet rich in plants, you are taking proactive steps towards a healthier future. By choosing plant-based options, you're not only doing good for yourself but also for the planet. Plant-based diets have a lower environmental footprint, requiring fewer resources like water and land. They also produce fewer greenhouse gases compared to animal-based diets. Growing your own vegetables or supporting local farmers can further enhance the positive impact on the environment. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle is a powerful way to contribute to a more sustainable and healthier world for future generations. Making your own pizza dough may seem daunting, but it is easier than you think. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of patience, you can create a delicious homemade pizza dough that will impress your family and friends. Freshly baked dough elevates the flavor of your pizza. There's nothing quite like the taste of a pizza made from scratch, with a crust that's perfectly crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. The aroma of baking bread will fill your kitchen. It's a rewarding experience. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water and your stomach growl in anticipation. Start with high-quality bread flour. This is the foundation of your dough, so it's important to use the best you can find. Bread flour has a higher protein content. This is crucial for developing the gluten structure that gives the dough its elasticity and chewiness. This helps to create a chewier crust. The higher protein content in bread flour makes a noticeable difference in the texture of your pizza crust. Add a pinch of sugar to feed the yeast. The sugar provides the yeast with the energy it needs to grow and produce carbon dioxide, which helps the dough rise, and a teaspoon of olive oil for flavor and texture. Olive oil not only adds a subtle richness to the dough, but also helps to keep it moist and tender. Warm water will activate the yeast. The water should be warm but not too hot, as high temperatures can kill the yeast. Let the dough rise in a warm place until doubled in size. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on the temperature of your kitchen. Be patient and let the yeast do its work. Once the dough has risen, it's ready to be shaped and topped with your favorite ingredients. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. If you're short on time, there's no shame in opting for a store-bought pizza crust. Choose a whole wheat crust for added fiber. Look for options that are low in sodium and free from artificial ingredients. A pre-made crust allows you to focus on the toppings. It can be a time saver on busy weeknights. A good tomato sauce is the heart of any pizza. It's the base that brings all the flavors together. Fresh, ripe tomatoes are essential. Choose a variety like Roma tomatoes. They have a lower water content, which will result in a richer sauce. Sauté onions and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add the tomatoes and simmer until thickened. Season with herbs like oregano, basil, and thyme. A touch of red pepper flakes adds a pleasant heat. Avoid adding sugar or preservatives. Section 5. Dairy-free delights, choosing the best cheese alternatives. The market for dairy-free cheese alternatives has exploded in recent years. There are many delicious and convincing options available. Cashew cheese is a popular choice. It's creamy, slightly tangy, and melts beautifully. Almond cheese is another great option. It has a milder flavor. Look for dairy-free cheese alternatives that are free from soy, gluten, and artificial ingredients. Read the labels carefully. Some brands are better than others. Experiment with different types to find your favorites. Section 6. A symphony of toppings vegetables. Vegetables are the stars of a plant-based pizza. They add color, flavor, and important nutrients. Bell peppers provide vitamin C. Mushrooms are a good source of selenium. Onions and garlic contain antioxidants. Get creative with your toppings. Experiment with different colors and textures. Roast vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, and red onions. They caramelize beautifully in the oven. Add fresh spinach or arugula towards the end of baking for a pop of color and freshness. Section 7. A symphony of toppings, protein. To make your plant-based pizza a satisfying meal, be sure to include a source of protein. Tofu is a versatile option. It absorbs flavors well. Try marinating it in your favorite sauce before adding it to the pizza. Tempeh is another great choice. It has a nutty flavor and a firm texture. Beans and lentils are also excellent sources of plant-based protein. Black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas add a hearty and satisfying element. They can be scattered whole or mashed into a spread. Section 8. A cheesy drizzle cashew and nutritional yeast magic. Elevate your plant-based pizza with a creamy and cheesy drizzle. This sauce is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. It adds a rich, velvety texture and a burst of flavor that will make your pizza irresistible. Cashews are the base of this magical sauce. These little nuts are packed with nutrients and have a natural creaminess that makes them perfect for creating a dairy-free sauce. When blended, cashews create a rich and creamy texture that mimics traditional cheese sauces. The smooth consistency is perfect for drizzling over your favorite dishes. Nutritional yeast adds a cheesy flavor. This ingredient is a staple in vegan cooking because it provides that umami taste we often crave in cheese. It's also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and overall health. Including nutritional yeast in your diet can help you meet your nutritional needs while enjoying delicious food. To get started, soak cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes to soften them. This step is crucial as it ensures the cashews blend smoothly into a creamy sauce. Once the cashews are softened, blend them with nutritional yeast, water, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt until smooth and creamy. The lemon juice adds a slight tang, balancing the richness of the cashews and the savory notes of the nutritional yeast. This versatile sauce can be drizzled over the pizza before or after baking. Drizzling it before baking allows the sauce to meld with the other toppings, creating a cohesive flavor profile. Drizzling it after baking keeps the sauce fresh and vibrant, adding a final touch of creaminess to each bite. Whether you prefer it warm and integrated or cool and distinct, this cashew and nutritional yeast sauce will elevate your pizza to new heights. Enjoy the magic of this simple yet flavorful addition to your plant-based culinary repertoire. Section 9. Conclusion. Your plant-based pizza journey awaits. Creating delicious and healthy plant-based pizzas is a rewarding experience. It allows you to nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. This step-by-step guide has provided you with the knowledge to embark on your plant-based pizza journey. Embrace the versatility of plant-based eating. Experiment with different flavors and toppings. Discover your own signature pizza creations. Share your culinary adventures with friends and family. Spread the joy of plant-based cooking. Subscribe to The Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.